We already know that single use plastic is already so detrimental to our environment as plastic takes years and years to degrade. Scientists and researchers are already finding so many solutions, but they cannot come to a proper conclusion. So, in our project, we have attempted to make potential alternatives for single-use plastic. So, fruit peels are often discarded as waste materials, but in our project, we have used it as biodegradable paper with waterproof qualities. So, next, I will be explaining you the processing.
So I'll be explaining the paper making process. First, we use the peels of sweet lime. We boil them, and then after boiling, we grind them. We also used recycled paper, which we also have grind into a pulp, using 1:1 ratio of both paper and sweet lime. We have added to water, and to that we have added starch as a binding material. And then, with the help of a mold and decal, we have made a paper. We have transferred that paper onto a piece of cloth, and after that we let it dry for 3 to 4 days. Now the further process will be explained by my colleague.
So now normal papers, they are water absorbent. So we attempted to make them waterproof by coating the papers with a waxy layer. So these leaves naturally have hydrophobic properties. So we extracted the biowax and we coated our papers with this biowax, thus making them waterproof. Whereas the uncoated papers did not show the same property.
Then we check the strength of the paper by using this setup, which is used to check the tensile strength. This paper that was made of 1:1 ratio of sweet lime pulp and recycled paper pulp, it had a tensile strength of 1,600 grams, unlike the normal brown paper, which had tensile strength of 300 grams.
So basically, why people use plastic? Because it's water resistant, it's cheap, and it can carry a lot of weight. But and if you compare it to this paper is not water resistant, and this paper is, if I even give it a light pull, it will tear off. Because and this paper is mostly used in packaging things in market. The paper which we made, as you can see, is made from fully natural materials like sweet lime rinds, which are considered as a waste in a society. These leaves, which are considered as a weeds. So, to compete with plastic, we coated it with biowax, which made it water resistant, which gives it an edge over normal packaging paper or the brown paper. We even made it stronger by we even made it stronger. The tensile strength of this paper is 1,600 grams compared to the normal brown paper, which is 300 grams. Now, if we compare it to plastic, if we throw plastic out, it will never degrade. It will just stay there. Compared to these papers, which take around 40 days to degrade completely. So basically, this paper which we designed is a potential competitor to plastic for making sustainable packaging material. Thank you.